Mr. Creative Quarter. I'm going to show you the M&M vending machine. I am so excited to do this. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wow, so many colours. Let's try again. Wow, that's a lot. This is what the different colours we can see. We can see blue, gold and green, and these are the colours. Green, yellow, orange, black, blue, red. I'm going to turn it around now and show you where I put the M&Ms. This is where I put the M&Ms. How you put them in. Enjoyed my video and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up.